spongy brake, very tight wheel. Now let's fix this problem. Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are doing good. Past few days I'm in problem with this bike with spongy brake result in bad braking as well as tight wheel due to automatic brake engagements with the braking disc. This happens if you press the brake very hard or due to accident, bike skids and brake pressed very hard. As you are watching, this bike has a big accident. Now let's free the wheel first. Air might induce the braking, so let's air free from brake cylinder to caliper hose. Loose the bleeder nut. As shows in video, pull the brake lever until the bleeder nut fully tight and then release the brake lever. You can do this several times. Now the front wheel is totally free. Now let's try to fix spongy braking. I'm opening master cylinder of front disc brake. Be aware of brake oil, it is harmful for paint. Oil reservoir is almost full of oil but very dirty. I'll try with this dirty oil so that I can understand the piston of master cylinder is working or not. Piston is not working at all. I think I have to change the piston and brake oil. As I haven't new piston and brake oil, so the day on is end here. This is day 2. I have bought piston and brake oil. I'm checking again that it is not working anymore. Draining old dirty brake oil. Now I'll disassemble the master cylinder.
This is brake light switch.
Now I have to open the stopper using my snap pincher. Actually, return spring became weak as well as first circuit rear seal got worse. Clean it well. New piston. Now I'm assembling the new piston, the new stopper. Both are male. Piston push rod should be female head, so it won't work. It should be like this. So I'll set here the old one. Now it is okay. I've reassembled the master cylinder. It is clearly written on master cylinder's cover which oil you have to use. As you are watching dot 3 or 4, I think dot 3's viscosity is good. See the result. The new piston is doing its job nicely. Now keep pressing until full in oil in hose. The brake will work and brake lever also remain tight gradually. I think it's okay now. you have learned something from this video. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.